Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to allow pop-ups in Microsoft Edge. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will type Edge, open Microsoft Edge, then click on three dots, scroll down, open Settings. Here you will see Privacy, Search and Services. Click on it. Now scroll down, click on Site Permissions, then click on All Permissions. Scroll down until you found pop-ups and redirects. Here it is. Click on it. At the top you will see a switch that says block recommended. If you turn this off, Edge will allow pop-ups from all websites, or instead of allowing all pop-ups you can only trusted websites. Under the allow section, here you can add sites here, then click on add. The particular websites will be added. And that's it. Now you know how to allow pop-ups in Microsoft Edge step by step. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.